Hello and welcome to this channel. This is the Slow English podcast, where emotions meet expression. Today we're talking about a feeling we all know, being nervous. When we're about to do something important or something that we're worried about, we can use special words and phrases to show how we feel. So let's look at some of them. If you feel nervous, you can say, "I'm nervous." That's pretty straightforward. But if you want to be a little more colorful in your language, try this. "I've got butterflies in my stomach." This means you're nervous. It's a little more poetic. You can use it when you're about to get married, go on a job interview, or maybe perform in front of an audience. For example, "I've got butterflies in my stomach. I hope I get the job." Another option is, "I feel on edge." This means your mind can't rest and your heart beats faster. We use it when we're worried and a little bit anxious. For example, "I feel on edge when I'm around her. She makes me nervous." If you're feeling extremely anxious and a little out of control, you could say, "My nerves are shot." This is a very dramatic way to say you're very anxious. For example, "My nerves are shot. I haven't slept for days." Now, sometimes when we're nervous, we try to hide it. We pretend we're not nervous, but we actually are. If you want to express this idea, you could say, "I'm a little shaky." For example, "I'm a little shaky, but I don't want anyone to know." Remember, it's okay to feel this way. These words help you carry the feeling, not hide it. So how do you say you're nervous in your language? Write it in the comments below. And if you're new here, subscribe and join the community. Click here for the previous episode or click here for the next one. Thanks for listening.